Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio at the end of the day with no time. I will not be taking a picture of this. And what I'm going to do is whatever comes to mind. I'm going to spread some paint. As I see fit, wherever I see fit. Whatever colors make sense to me at that exact second. Alright, so let's start. What I've got left that isn't in the bucket is a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. And I could just leave it right like that and we're all done. Cool. That's so funny. Want to go make a video to use up your paint and slap some paint on a canvas and karma says, okay, you're done. It really could be too. I just want to use the paint that I've got on my spatula. Yes, I do. To cover my edges, because I just spent 10 minutes covering my edges. I just squeeze that paint right along there, call it good, maybe throw some black on the other edge, and that way, when I'm ready, whatever wants to come down over, and there can be some, I can tip it. Gee, I didn't even think to torch. We've got such cute little patterns. I think I'm going to throw some of that pink and that purple right there. Not going to worry about it. I just want to take a picture of it. That is pretty cool. I know I should not torch, but I guess I'm going to anyway. That is called a spatula swipe in like less than 2 minutes. I think I'm just going to start another video and use my paint and see what happens. Next time I'm just spreading white paint. Maybe I'll clean a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula or an OXO omelet turning spatula so that I can... Yes, and it's cold out here and so everything is smoking today. It's kind of freaking me out. My painting is not on fire, although it's hard to tell. Alright, so I've got skewers and things if I want to play. And there's nothing that I want to change about this so much. That I want to dump those other colors in there. So, there's a freebie. A 2-minute non-event. I tell you guys I love you all the time, but I love you all the time, so I might as well tell you again. Check out my Instagram, my Pinterest, my Facebook albums of volumes of YouTube wet and dry artwork. You know what? I need some purple there. I just do. Maybe I can grab a spatula. Any old spatula out of the bucket that's wet. Ah. Yes, I'm happier with that. I thought I was perfectly happy, but I needed a little more drama, and I got it. Blow that right in down there, and then wipe that spatula off again. So what was I telling you? Please give me a thumbs up if you like to buy my artwork, or if you'd like to buy my artwork. You most certainly may, you just have to ask me. Thank you for all the contributions in the past. If you contribute through PayPal or Patreon right now, you will be involved in a contest where I've put four paintings this time. The winner's name will be drawn on February 28th, and you need an updated email and to make a donation to the studio. The last 20 seconds of this video will take you to playlist and my website, and I'm so discombobulated, I can't even tell you. I give lessons at the house, I do sell my art, and if you shop my Amazon link, you'll find all kinds of cool stuff. It's right under the video, along with my paint pouring recipe. And I've told you I love you so many times now, it's ridiculous to tell you again, but I do. I love you. And I will see you in the next video. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying, that was quick. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.